Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the pin for your Chromebook. So if you don't want to have the pin anymore, I'm going to show you guys how to remove it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the launcher down your system taskbar and search for settings. Best result, should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select privacy and security. And then on the right side, underneath privacy and security at the top, select where it says lock screen and sign in, enter in your password, and then where it says pin, select the little three-dotted icon next to it and select remove, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.